Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge. It all must break. I need a little room to breathe. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge. And I'm about to break.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Kalarai Ban sa Pynsngew Hakhmat u Menteri Ketnat Kampok Yeng Kari u Amit Shah u ban sawan yuk kejat hang ni kejela halor ka jingdawai ka line permit bat ka jingdawa ban pendrung ya Ktien Khasi bat ya Ktien Garo ha ka kernet papra jong kariti sensyar kari India u sembut menteri rang ba kejela ba prestun tensong ha ka jing keren bigila pathai kubor ula ong ba Sorkar jela kala dep yo jingtip ba Amit Shah un sawan syakani kanong ba Shillong ha kanu nu kapor bat kani kala ban long ha ka tayo ka ban sawan lani ha ka tayo ba khaddu jong niu panai nai wek.
Very lengthy discussion with all the leaders of those NGOs, and we discussed so many issues, those pending issues which is under the decision of the central government, like ILP, like HDL, then like MRSSA. I told them, I have assured them that we are pursuing this issue very aggressively, no doubt about it. And I told them also, because we were informed that the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, he may come down to Shillong anytime, maybe next week or maybe towards the end of this month. That we still don't know yet the confirmation. So I already advised them also, if he come to Shillong, again they should also meet the Honorable Union Minister, and then let them also put some kind of pressure to the government of India that they should consider these issues as passed by the resolution in the House. From the government side, MDA government will take up this issue officially. We will seek appointment with the Honorable Union Minister, and we will discuss it. If the statement is true, as you mentioned, then I should say it is a hypocrite. Because see, if you can do it, why wait till the election is over? If you can do it, because you still saying we are seriously examining the issue, so hopefully they should consider within this election, within the general election. Otherwise, I think it becomes a dramatical political issue on this.